Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the switch. The part actually took several weeks to get here because of COVID, but you may be able to use the hazard lights correctly, but you may notice this trunk doesn't work. Now, since it does work with the key, you hear that pop, we know that most likely it's an issue with this switch. So the first thing that you have to do is just give this a good tug, and then you'll see that pops right out. Pretty loose there. And then there's just a quick disconnect clip underneath here. You're just going to squeeze on this back side, and then it'll come right out. Okay, once you've done that, this piece here is just spring loaded. Just squeeze on both sides and it just pops right. You see that just popped right out. And obviously this is a no-brainer. Make sure you like my channel. Or subscribe if you found this useful. Make sure you install it the correct way so it's not upside down. You can see here how that's spring loaded. Just pops right down in there. I'll show you a little bit more here. See, this inside piece is what you squeeze when you're removing it, and it's going to be on that back side. So let's clip back in there. You can test that now, and I'll actually be able to hear it pop this time. Don't ask me why, but it started intermittently to quit working, and then all of a sudden it went out altogether. So I'll put a link in the description below that shows you how to order the part, and that should take care of your issue with the trunk. Thanks for watching, and like I said, make sure you like the video to help others find it, and feel free to make any comments or suggestions below.